something bitter, you know.
Natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bushmeat good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. This is called Tea Time with Ladylets. Have you ever come across the neem plant before? Do you know its scientific name? Do you know its health benefits? Let me help you with that.
Oh, we good. Come and give him some because he come down from America sick with diabetes.
So it's good for diabetes?
Yes, I hate. I don't
This plant is a natural herb. It is also called lilacs and also azadirachta. Neem is a tree that grows in the tropical region such as India and right here so in Jamaica.
something bitter, you know.
Aye.
Bitter than Cersei. Bitter than Cersei.
I thought it would have been nice. Neem contains chemicals that might help reduce blood sugar levels, heal ulcer in the digestive tract, prevent pregnancy, kill bacteria, and prevent plaques that forms in the mouth. The neem plant is a unique plant. Its leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, roots, and barks has been used traditionally for treatments of inflammations, infections, fever, skin disease, and dental disorders. If you know how, you can make billions with this neem plant. You can make face masks, shampoo, conditioner, neem oil, toothpaste, and also tea bags.
Well, depends, you know. Cause might be you can boil a couple leaves for it. Might be
Oh, the
say
leaves,
I
okay.
like about 3 of this year. Depends on the amount where you want boil or sometimes some enough like you all of this, but in boiling I use it more than one time. Boil enough water I use.
Okay, cool it and drink it. Alright. So,
I know some me do it. I
everyone,
know some me do it.
what you do?
This
These you do?
broke half them they like so.
So
But
this can plant. Here are some of the nutrients in the neem leaf: protein, calcium, vitamin C, fatty acid, amino acid, and keratin.
when that come to your that it itch you. But this now you have to quail in a house. Like you get your hand go, you wash it
Yeah.
and put it down in there, make it quail.
Mm,
Yeah. Quail up. You can just wash it and start use it, dry outside the sea inside until it dry.
okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you just boil. Yeah, boil all 3 leaf. Yeah, can't drink it one time or might be you buy boil like that a bunch, yeah.
Yeah.
And you save it more than one time. But how we do it now, the first thing in the morning, on empty stomach we drink it. Can me boil and drink when I'm ready to.
Okay. And you have diabetes?
Not really, but now and then me drink because the
Yeah, so you
bush,
take
because we
care of
don't know what
yourself.
is what. True. But me no feed on it. True, me know say me no have it, me no feed on it. Now and then we just get up and boil little and drink.
Yeah.
Or this morning, sometimes we drink it 3 morning and stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
I never know.
Every little leaf.
Mm.
We dry them and back them up and just label them, put them on ready. Me just
What?
go take one little spoon and dry and drink.
That's right.
Of
Don't wait till
course.
doctor say, you have this.
This, how you have that.
Then you rub on with pill. So this is how I make my neem tea. Hope you guys can see this. I think this is the amount of leaves that I will be using. Because the leaves are like this. They're like this. So I took them off this. The neem leaves grown on branches of neem trees in groups of 2, and each branch produce around 8 groupings.
Drink up, natural herbs pouring a my
See, it's Neem here, so I do with this brand. I go and drink this one now. So cheers to all my tea friends out there, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, and may God continue to bless you. Let me go ahead and sip into this. Oh my God. It kind of like tastes a bit like, it is like aloe vera, it is like cerasee, it is like papaya leaf, just about every single one of those bitter herbs coming together. But you know, I like it. It's just doing something for me at this time. Let me go in again. Tastes good. You should definitely try this out. You should definitely try this out. And guys, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Please turn on your notification bell that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. And also share to bless you all and keep you. And thank you so much for coming over here, for the love and the support. God bless. Bye.